Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're unpacking the source material on a really interesting piece of gear, the Thor Broadcast F-8A-XLR-TxRx. It's an 8-channel audio over fiber system.
Right.
And if you've ever had to run, one of those heavy copper snakes across a huge venue, you know the pain.
Oh, yeah. The hum, the high frequency loss, the ground loops. It's a nightmare.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that signal loss
Yeah.
is the core problem this whole system is designed to just eliminate.
It's a total shift in thinking, really. We're not just boosting a signal. We're taking the electrical part out of the equation completely.
We're sending it as light.
Exactly. You're getting 16-bit digitally encoded, balanced audio. It means zero degradation. Just perfect clarity over, colossal distances.
Okay, so let's break down what you get. The system is basically a kit, right? A transmitter and a receiver unit.
Yep, a TCOX and an RX. You plug your audio into one end, and it pops out the other miles away.
And that fiber connection is the real magic here.
It's the game changer. Because it's light, it's completely immune to electromagnetic interference. That awful buzz you get from running audio lines next to power.
Gone.
Completely gone. The signal stays perfect.
And the model we're focusing on, the F-8A, that's 8 channels, but it's way more versatile than that.
Oh, absolutely. The source material shows you can get these in 2, 4, 8, 16, even 32 channel versions.
All on a single fiber run.
All on a single fiber. And what's really cool is that on the smaller 2 and 4 channel models, you can get them bidirectional.
So audio going both ways on one cable.
On one tiny fiber. Think about remote interviews or intercoms. It cuts your cable needs in half.
Okay, that distance is where it gets kind of wild. We're used to copper topping out pretty fast.
We are. But with light, the scale is, well, it depends on the fiber you use.
So break that down for us.
The basic units with single-mode fiber can go up to 20 kilometers.
20 kilometers, that's what, over 12 miles?
12 miles, yeah. Now, if you use multi-mode fiber, you're looking at maybe up to 3,000 feet.
Which is still a really long run.
And that's just the start. There are specialized models that can push that out to 40, 80, even 120 kilometers.
120 kilometers is that's sending a signal across state lines. But let's be real, what about durability? If someone stomps on a fiber cable at a concert, is the show over?
That's a huge question, yeah. The fiber itself needs care, obviously, but the gear is built tough. The audio specs are professional-grade SNR is over 80 dB, so it's a super clean signal.
And the connectors, are they some weird proprietary thing?
No, thankfully. Standard 3-pin XLR for your audio, and the optical connector is typically STPC, which is very common. You can get others, too.
So who is this really for? The source list is a ton of places. Rental and staging, concerts, stadiums, theme parks.
Broadcast studios, intercom systems, basically anywhere you need to move high-quality audio across a really big space without any loss.
Right, it's the transport layer.
Exactly. Just slots right in with the gear everyone already has, your XLR mixers, your digital recorders. It just works.
And for installation, it looks like you've got options. You can have them as little standalone boxes you can just drop anywhere.
Or you can get them in rack mount versions for a permanent install in a control room or an equipment rack.
Super flexible.
Yeah, and they're reliable. The mean time between failures is rated at over 100,000 hours.
Oh.
Plus, the operating temperature range is huge, from -20 Celsius all the way up to 75 C. So they're built for the real world, not just a pristine studio.
Okay, so a final thought for you to chew on. Considering this tech makes distance pretty much irrelevant for audio quality, letting you send perfect sound over 120 kilometers with light, which of those venues do you think benefits the absolute most? Is it a sprawling, multi-stage concert, a massive theme park that covers acres, or a giant stadium that needs flawless intercom everywhere? Something to think about until our next deep dive.